Really?
It's your birthday present.
Oh my God.
He's shaking.
It's a girl supposedly. Her name is Zoe. Say hi. Say hi, Mama.
Hi, Zoe.
She's almost a year old.
Hi.
She's got a lot of learning to do. She really likes me for some reason. Say hi. Who is that? Who's the little guy? Who's the little guy? She does nip a little bit. So you just gotta grab her and say no. Huh? What is this, Cole?
She could like a leaf. Who's that?
Hi. Come here. No. Come on. No. Come up.
She loves shiny things.
Yeah, shiny.
Watch,
things.
necklace, bracelet, anything.
You wanna try holding her?
Yeah.
We told Ken we'd take a picture when you first saw her, so that's
Um,
alright. You can't be afraid of her. If you are, she won't come to you, and she's gonna see. Just tell her up.
Up. No.
Now she does that. Just grab her beak. Good Zoe.
No.
Just grab her beak. No. No.
No.
No. Or you tap her too. No.
Oh my God. No.
She just doesn't know who you are, so no. Be good birdie. Good birdie.
No.
I don't know what we're gonna do with her, but.